Hi, I'm Martin from Statewide Appliance Spares. If you're having difficulties opening your lid or the door of your washing machine, try our troubleshooting tips. First things first, make sure you unplug your washing machine from the power source before attempting any repairs or maintenance. Washing machines are also very heavy appliances and can tip over, so get someone to help you if you need to move or tilt the washing machine. Firstly, check to make sure that your wash cycle has completed. Allow a couple of minutes at the end of the cycle for the door to unlock. Check to see if the door will unlock. If it still won't unlock, the next process would be to check that you haven't engaged the child safety lock. This is different on several machines, but on this particular machine it's clearly marked with a child lock indicator, and check the door again. If the previous steps have not allowed you to open the door, it may be a fault with the interlock switch, and to fix this problem we will need to unplug the washing machine from the wall. It's important that we unplug it and not just turn the power off, and we may need to leave it unplugged for up to 30 minutes to allow the interlock circuit to discharge, and then try the lock again. If the door still hasn't opened for you, you'll need to check inside the machine to make sure there's not still water inside the drum. If there's water in the drum, the machine won't allow you to open the door. You will need to drain the water from the drain pump at the front of the machine. The first thing we need to do is check the drain to make sure that we have no blockages that stops the pump from pumping the water out. My recommendation is to wear some rubber gloves for your own protection and grab yourself a small container or bucket to drain the water from the machine. The drain tube can be located behind the door and pulled out to allow you to drain the water into a bucket or down the drain hole in your home. Now the water's all drained out, place the hose back in place. You will now need to remove the filter from the front of the pump in an anti-clockwise position. Noting you may find some debris, or you may find something that has caused the pump to not operate, like in this case a small coin. You may need to grab a rag or a small cloth, checking inside of the pump to make sure that there's no muck or grime caught inside, and clean out appropriately. Clean the filter and make sure that the seal is nice and clean before replacing. Once cleaned, replace the filter and tighten in a clockwise direction, and the door can then be closed. Now that you've drained the water and cleaned the pump, this should have rectified the problem. Next step will be to turn your machine on, plug it back into the power and test the machine through a normal wash cycle. If your machine still refuses to drain water, at this point you may need to call the service technician to have a better look at your machine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more handy videos.